Here's a Quantum.
Sorry for the clicking next to your ear. Sorry.
Oh, car wash is here. Loogman.
Loogman, jongen.
Lying man.
Light man.
Light man, yeah, with past tense. Yeah.
Eetcafé, this looks so fucking scared.
Yeah, it does. Eetcafé de Summer Station.
Summer Station.
Jezus, man.
Eetcafé de Summer Station, jongen.
Hey, grap is met jou, man. Ik ben bejaardig. Ik ben bij Eetcafé de Summer Station.
Oh fuck, I'm still smearing.
Yep, you were.
Oh fuck.
Smearing. Let me just open the window.
Oh fuck, open the window. But I will smell it.
Don't worry.
It's still on, fuck.
Don't worry.
I'm sorry. Verwijder u. Hey,
You see?
hey, guys.
Remove your antenna.
Can you clip this for certain people that were weird or found out about it?
Yeah. So, film it.
Remove the antenna, it says. And you're like, bitch, I already did. They're done, expired. Okay, but we're in lockdown. We cannot call. Maybe I should obscure the camera a little bit to make it.
Hey man. Schoon. Dankjewel. Hetzelfde werksouwe.
Is it oude? In Rotterdam? They say that here?
Ja hoor.
Oh,
Oh shit. So let me close the window.
yeah, that's maybe that.
From the window.
Oh shit. We're going into the car wash. Everybody clip the fuck out of this car wash experience. Please. Please, please. I love it. I love it.
No, you put it.
Quick free spray.
No, you put it in free. Liberal. And then you see?
It just goes. It goes.
It goes?
You're not.
I'm not doing anything. I'm being pushed by the system. So we're gonna do here, we're gonna have a two corner view. We're gonna be, my stream is our faces and Linny's stream is what we see. So depending on what you want to see.
Oh, it's pretty.
Wait, no, fuck that, I want to see it as well. Yeah, we're getting clean here, guys. Oh shit, where's my chat? I can actually see if my homies are still here. Yo, Mahoo!
Yo, Grump, for sure. We will go to the park or something.
What a nice weather. We're in the car wash, Mahoo. Gadu, how are you doing, man? Welcome on in, peeps. We're in the car wash. Can you believe that? Look, we're in the car wash with Linny. And Linny is filming here. Hello, Linny. Exclamation point Linny if you want to know more. L-I-N-I.
Exclamation mark Jasper. And or guest.
Oh shit. Look at the beautiful blue color here.
Woo.
Oh shit! Lurking, always lurking. Thank you, Mahu, my G man. Look here, we're on the side. Oh, we got like this whole construction here. Oh my god! They didn't even put a condom on my back thing, on my back wiper. Here it is. No. What an experience.
Oh yeah, redeem sing mode so I can be singing in the car wash. And that's apparently. Whoa! Look at those jets. Bra bra bra.
Yo, with the blue light, like yo, something happening here, guys.
Fuck yeah. Woo! I always worry their screen will break down and drown.
Oh.
That's fucked up. It's an irrational fear.
Should have touched my screen, my stereo. It's doing that itself.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay, what if I just go out?
Yeah, then the whole system stops. And everybody will be so pissed.
Yeah.
Look here, we got like the little jizz.
Little jizz?
Little jizz treatment here. Cleaned it all off. Nice. Man, these are great shots. I love this. Radu also over there.
That's my car wash.
He had one of these long-term car washes in my city, but they closed in a couple of years to repair and never opened again. We have the short automated ones at OMV petrol station, but those are not that fun. you don't stay in the car, right? That's what I love so much about this one. But yeah, Radu is over at yours. Okay, okay, I see how it is, Radu. No, I'm joking. Okay, they're so sad when they're doing nothing.
When they're doing nothing, yeah, they're like womp womp.
Love this.
So nice.
Love the colors, love everything. I love this. Oh, here we have the ultimate jizz. I'm sorry, I thought the...
Yo, husband. Yeah, car massage.
This car gets a better treatment than I do.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Next up. Oh, they're drying it the fuck out of the... They're drying it.
Yeah, air dry like mad.
Oh, there's a real cool dryer.
Look at all these drips going away from the window.
Oh, those are some big fuckers. Oh yeah, wipe us clean and dry and polish. Hello, hello. Why is it not turning?
Because we don't have that treatment. We don't have the extra polish.
Let's go again.
Here we go again.
Ja, rijden? Lekker. Oh shit, I don't even have the seatbelt on.
Oh, I'm dropping everything here. Your phone drops, everything drops. Let's go to the parking lot.